Alright, in this example we are going to work with the GTC Trails dataset. So we're going to open up ArcMap once again. We're going to start with a new empty map, and we're going to connect to a data source just like last time. And in this case, I am going to connect to the GTC data, which is the trails. We're going to add the original layer here, just to step you through this example. And here we have all the roadways listed by the GTC as bikeable in the greater Rochester metropolitan area. This is actually, as you can see, a single color display. None of the roadways are differentiated visually from one another, which is surprising because this data set actually has 4 data classes, data classes being categories of the data. So we have roadways rated as fair, poor, good, and other. To fix this, we're going to have to right click on the layer in the layer panel and go to properties. When the properties window is open, it defaulted in this case to the Symbology tab. It may not always do that. So select the Symbology tab and go to categories. And we want to display this map by the rating of the road. So we look in the value field, and the value field pulls all the metadata from the map, all the different columns and classes of metadata, and gives you a selection. In this case, we're looking for the rating. So we select the rating. And now what we do is, in this case, because we're interested in all the different road ratings, we're just going to go to the Add All Values button here, which will grab all the different classes of that metadata and add it to the map. Once that is done, we have a listing of all the classes under the metadata field of rating in this map. And you can choose the color ramp for the symbology that you want to use. Use something like this. I find that the green, yellow, and red is most intuitive for this rating system, with the exception of null being as orange. I personally think that since null is something we're not interested in, it should be a value like gray or black, so it's not, prominent when you're viewing the data set. And we simply click apply or OK. It's functionally the same difference, and now you are looking at all the trails in this data set colored by their class of rating.